Have you ever felt issue with your soundbar? Let's say the sound is not coming properly. Or probably you may have connected your high FPS monitor with HDMI cable and your monitor is not going up to rated FPS. Or probably you might have 8K TV and your FPS are dropping. Then in that case, you should get this cable. Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and today we are unboxing this HDMI 2.1 compliant cable. And I will explain why HDMI 2.1 is such a big deal when compared with these HDMI 2.0 compliant cable. So let's first of all quickly unbox this. So this is 6.6 feet or 2 meter long cable from Spigen, as we know, make premium product whether we want iPhone case or even wristwatch. In Spigen, you may be aware of this Korean brand. They make premium product, especially they are into accessories. And let me actually quickly open this packet. And a few days ago, I also have made a video on another HDMI 2.1 compliant cable, which I would say was a little bit cheaper than this one. So this one costed me around 1500. However, the cable that I bought of Honeywell that costed me around 1100 from Amazon. So if you want to see unboxing and review of that cable, then check out the link that I have added in the description down below. That cable also was HDMI 2.1, but this one is slightly more premium than Honeywell cable. Now if I see here, this cable is also braided one just like Honeywell, but I would say the quality here is slightly better than Honeywell. And what surprised me here is there is no gold plating that generally we see in case of HDMI 2.1 compliant cable. But that's not a big deal until unless it meet the criteria or standard of HDMI 2.1. Now let's talk about some of benefit of having this 2.1 cable versus HDMI 2.1. This HDMI 2.1 support 48 gigabit of bandwidth, allowing you for higher quality visual like 8K at 60 FPS or even 4K at whopping 120 frames per second. This, or I would say any HDMI 2.1 compatible cable, is perfect for 8K, or if you want to utilize features like eARC in case of soundbar and ALLM, which is auto low latency mode. Now when I talk about this HDMI 2.0 cable, which here we can see looks slightly thicker than this 2.1, but that should not be the case inside. Definitely this one would have thicker conductors inside. And at the same time, this HDMI 2.0 only have a bandwidth of 18 Gbps. So you see the difference? 18 Gbps in case of HDMI 2.0 and with just 2.1, which looks in terms of number a very small incremental jump or look like a small software update, but in real term from 18 Gbps to 48 Gbps. So that's how HDMI 2.1 makes hell lot of difference. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Negitech to see more tech reviews related to laptop, desktop and PC accessories. Also, if you would like to build a PC or want to buy a laptop, check out our curated list of handpicked items from Amazon, such that you do not get lost in huge Amazon market. And I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.